Shoppers. This is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and oh, look at all the goodies. I did all these cards. I try to now do all of my cards at once, so I don't have stashes of cards laying around that I don't ever get to. Might be a good tip, because I have kits upon kits, and I never get to them, and they get stashed away, and you forget about it. Anyway, this is an Anna Griffin. It's a Pulley card making kit, and picked it up. It was on sale, clearance, and so it was a great buy. So you're going to pay like maybe $2 a card, $1 a card, something like that. You can't beat it. It comes with instructions and how-tos, and it will tell you how to do it. But if you're looking here for me to show you how to do it easier, you got the right place, because how they do it makes it so difficult. I tried it twice and messed up and got it all sticky everywhere. So let me just go through and tell you what it is. So these are cards that you pull, and they sit like this. So very, very cute and simple to put together if you know how. So what I did is I put all of the pulley mechanism together first on all of the cards, and that way I got that done and out of the way. And then I went and I popped on some little flowers and embellishments on there. Now you can embellish this as much or as little as you like. Always, when she shows you cards that she's done on HSN or wherever she's doing a tutorial about it, the backgrounds are always exceptionally embellished with all sorts of, die cut pieces and golden and twirlies and flourishes and all that sort of thing. I just used what I found in the kit. That's all you need if that's the basic way you want to do it. And for me, that's good enough. So very, very cute. They have different sentiments. Most of them are happy birthday, but you can always, stamp something and put it on top of here if you don't need a dozen happy birthdays this month or whatever. So I'll just quickly show what I have. I'm not going to open them all. That would take forever. There's 20 cards that you can make, and they're all very different, very cute. I even had some embellishments left over from my pop and twist cards that I showed on my last video, or one of my last videos. This one is cute. Not a lot of variation in color and flowers, and that's Anna Griffin. I mean, it's going to be the same stuff over and over and over again, and I'm getting kind of tired of it. So except for the the differences in the cards, how they pop up and do all that sort of thing, the flowers are all the same, and I've got so many from other kits and things like that. I wish she'd get into different colors and different types of flowers and that sort of thing, but oh well. I will write a note to the editor about it. But let me just show you real quick how to do that mechanism. So I left 2 of them behind so I could show you real quick. These are some of the flourish or embellishments that I left behind. It comes with the sentiment toppers, and so I chose 2 of those, and then flourishes, flowers. I don't know if this one comes with, I don't think this one comes with butterflies. This is from the other kit, and maybe some flourishes. I don't know. Anyway, you'll see when you get it, if you get it. So you have the base card, and it has the letters here. You want to take that base card, and in the center of this, it will have it'll have a cutout. You want to pop that up a little bit. Sometimes they get stuck. Then you have, this is the piece that is the mechanism. Very simple. What you want to do is take this piece, don't peel off the And it comes with the adhesive on there, and you'll peel that off in a minute. Here's another letter. Don't bother with the letters as far as I'm concerned. I didn't even think about that. So what you want to do is put the long piece in the cutout. You might have to kind of swizzle that in, pop it all the way down, and fold it over. Okay? Then you take this piece and just take it off, because this will take all of these stickies off. Now, this is very, very sticky, so if you know, all I did was fold the top one over. That's A to A. And what I want to do is just, see, this is where it folds. So you don't want to go over the fold. You want to go right on top of that A, right before the fold. Kind of center it there, and that's it. That's all I did. And then I fold this over, take the other piece off. This is the top, and fold this over. Now, they would have you open up the whole thing and try to find all the pieces and blah, blah, blah. It just didn't work for me. This worked exceptional. So before I open it up, I put all the pieces together, and then you bend it over, and this is the mechanism. That was the easiest way for me to do it. Now I'll show you one more time how to do that. Again, you have your mechanism piece, you have your base card, and you have your slits. Open this up, fold it back, take your mechanism piece, take the long piece here before you take the tape off, kind of maneuver that in the slits. Okay, pull it down. And then you will take this piece off. Don't get it stuck anywhere. Again, it's very, very sticky. Bend the bottom piece over. That's A. Pull it up until you match it to the A here before the fold. Just put it down there as evenly as you can. Don't do it cockeyed like me. Okay? And then just fold this over. Take this piece off. And fold it up. Done. Done, done, done. Then you can fold it. Make sure your pieces are all stuck together, and there's the mechanism. So much easier than trying to fiddle around with it and placing it and making sure the letters go with the letters. Just do it like that, and every single time you'll do it. So I did that with all of the cards. I got that out of the way, put them aside for a couple of days, and then I started embellishing. Now, for the embellishment part, they have the topper, the sentiment, and I couldn't figure out how they were doing it. I even watched a video on her, and I thought that they were putting them up here, but it didn't work for me, so I put it on the second level. So it would go like this. Some of them are even a little askew. You know, they're all different sizes and all different shapes, so you have to kind of fit it on there. So that would be there. Now you can put, and it comes with a whole sheet of pop dots, so that's wonderful. So what I did was I put 3 pop dots on that center level, step, however you want to call it. Pull that off. And then I put the sentiment, whichever one you choose. I just popped them all on. They're all different colors and stuff, but they all match. They all go together. So however you want to do it, if you want to be more thoughtful about how you put the colors together or whatever you want to do. But there you go. I did that. Make sure that you can still fold it and make sure it doesn't go past this base, because it comes with envelopes too, so you want to fit it into the envelope properly. And then choose another flower to go at the bottom and a flourish or so to go at the top, and then a bigger flower to go up here. However you want to do it. You just be more creative about that, and then you come up with something like this. So that's how it works. And then whoever you're giving it off to, and then you can put your to and make you a note to make you smile. And then at the back, make sure you sign it, handmade by. And then if you want, you can put more of a sentiment in the back. If you want to write more of a note back there, you can. Even if you want to put more embellishment back here, you can do that as well. I put some flourishes there. I put some flowers, and I pop dotted some of them. Some of them I didn't. It just all depends on how you feel about it. So this one I particularly liked because it had different colors. It had yellows and blues to it, and I put a flourish in the back and did this for your friend. And how nice is that for them just to put on a table, just to show off for a little bit. And there you go. There's your Pulley card. Hope I got this all in frame because I can't see what I'm doing when I'm doing it. And there you go. So that's the Anna Griffin Pulley card making kit. We have, today is the 2nd or 3rd, and on the 5th, Tuesday, is going to be another craft day. This is craft of scrapbooking month, I believe, May. So get out the credit card and go shop. But go craft. Bye.